Top 5 myths about bodyweight training busted.
Bodyweight training is surrounded by plenty of myths and misconceptions. In this video, we'll break down 5 of the most common myths and reveal the real facts. Whether you're a beginner or fitness enthusiast, understanding the truth will help you get the most from your workouts and avoid common mistakes.
Myth number 1. Bodyweight training can't build muscle.
Many people think that bodyweight exercises aren't effective for muscle growth. In reality, exercises like push-ups, pull-ups, and squats can build significant strength and muscle, especially when performed with good form and increased intensity. Progressions, variations, and added reps help keep your muscles challenged as you become stronger.
Myth number 2. You need weights for a complete workout.
It's a common belief that you need gym equipment for a balanced workout. Bodyweight routines can target all major muscle groups, improve cardiovascular health, and enhance mobility. Exercises can be modified to suit your fitness level, making full body training possible without any equipment at all.
Myth number 3. Bodyweight training is too easy.
Some assume bodyweight training is just for beginners or not challenging enough. However, movements like pistol squats, handstand push-ups, and muscle-ups require strength, stability, and technique. Consistently increasing difficulty and mastering advanced variations can provide intense and highly effective workouts.
Myth number 4. You can't lose weight with bodyweight exercises.
Bodyweight training can be a powerful tool for fat loss. High-intensity circuits, functional movements, and minimal rest periods can raise your heart rate and burn calories. Combined with a healthy diet, these workouts support both weight loss and muscle toning, making them ideal for achieving body composition goals.
Myth number 5. There's not enough variety in bodyweight workouts.
People often say bodyweight routines are repetitive and boring. In fact, there are hundreds of variations and progressions for each movement. From yoga flows to explosive plyometrics and core-focused exercises, bodyweight training offers endless options for keeping workouts creative and preventing plateaus.
Conclusion. Bodyweight myths. Debunked.
Forget the misconceptions. Bodyweight training is a versatile, effective, and accessible way to get strong, fit, and healthy. Whether at home or on the go, understanding these myths can help you make smarter choices and fully benefit from your workout routine. Start exploring what your own body can do today